What's going on, Dynasty? It's a blessing to be here. I'm UL with UL Exchange. I'm the Forex Finesse, the Crypto Caressa. And today I have another great content for you guys. How to make $260 an hour with Forex. This trade was a setup I took about a week ago, but I'll show you guys the Telegram screenshots to date back the date and go through the steps to show you guys why I took this trade and how I executed the trade and making it sure it went my way. Again, thank you so much for everything, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you guys enjoy this kind of content. I'll be posting more content to keep you guys up to date on what's going on in the crypto markets and the Forex markets and the stock markets. And if you guys are interested in these type of things, then please don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button with that bell notification so you can be notified every single time I post a video. So without no further ado, let's get to this video after this beautiful intro.
Forex, everything is Forex.
So as you guys can see, the pair I traded was AUD NZD up here, and you can see it up here as well, AUD NZD. And I'll take you guys through a couple steps why I took this trade. There's also another trade I took if we keep scrolling, but we'll get to that in a little bit. So the reason I took this trade and the setup and what was behind all the, the thinking and everything that went into this trade. So if we get rid of these things, we can just take a look. We can take a look here, but just to make it a little simpler, we'll go to the 30-minute time frame. So at the 30-minute time frame, let's see something real quick. Okay, so at the 30-minute time frame, we had to travel a little bit because it's different, but you can see simply doing a quick trend line movement from here, price was going down. Even if we didn't have this price over here, which we can erase, and I'll show you guys the steps. So let's keep it around here. Let's erase everything till there. So let's just say we looked at this AUD NZD chart at this time frame, and we see, okay, well, match up with this because this is where the downtrend momentum started, and then you can even match it up with these. And then let's just click play and see how everything proceeds. Okay, but real quickly as well, if you want to be a little bit more precise, you could also do it for the downtrend as well. So both the support and the resistance trend lines. Okay, so you can see it hit this trend line and rejected it. Now it's starting the uptrend momentum, but we'll see where price is headed. So at this point, whenever you see things like this, all you have to do is extend it. And even before you extend it, it's already over here. But when you extend it, let's just say we already extended it before price came up here. You could have got in for a short, small short like this. You could see the price, you can see the candle even got in over here, 10 pips, stop loss right above that candle, and see where it would have taken you. Yep, it would have been already a 1-to-1 ratio. You could have been out or waited for it to come down. But hey, as I always say, let me pause this. Don't be jealous. Take that 1-to-1. Look, it even came more than a 1-to-1. But even right here, take that 1-to-1 ratio. So $122 versus $108 stop loss. Take that quickly, hop out. But let's continue. So you can see that it broke the trend line resistance level and it went making an uptrend momentum. So from that uptrend momentum, since it's just going up right now, we're waiting for a pullback to get in. So yeah, Forex, the only thing about Forex, let me pause this. Sorry guys, a little bit of technical difficulties, but we're right here. Let's keep going. But as I was saying, the only thing about Forex that gets a little boring, or anything you trade, crypto, anytime you have to look at the charts, is the patience game. There's a lot of things that have to do with patience, because if it's already over here and you're bored and you see something come down here, you want to get in here, you're still going to lose. You got in here, that's perfect timing with that nice double bottom over here. But you just have to time it perfectly. And over here, top as well. But this is what I would call a small consolidation zone, where price is moving, but it's not moving up or down from these specific zones. So it has made a zone over here, the bottom zone, and it has made the top zone. Now just keep continuing watching. Okay, now you see it cracked above this zone a little bit and came down to retest the level, but we'll see where price heads down. So you see that nice, beautiful jump. Let me show you guys where I got in. It's 30-minute chart making me scroll through the whole world. But anyways, right here, let's do this. So what I told you guys again was, this was a boxed in consolidation period. It has already established a low bottom and it has already established a high top. So what it did was price, it was boxed in, and you can see it pushed out of that zone. So what I did was easily, okay, one thing, it pushed out of the zone. Second thing, this is a new uptrend now. You can see if I remove this, it has turned into an uptrend. We can even put a bottom over here for it. So it touched this zone, and it has cracked above this. So what you're looking for, uptrend momentum, there was a higher high and a higher low about to happen. So what I did was simply put my Fibonacci level from the bottom to the top and put my buy in basically at 70% Fibonacci level. Stop loss is 11.6 pips, so $116 on a lot size trade. Not too much. 11 pips is very good, especially for 30 minutes and an hour. So if we precise this, so it'll be 11.5. Okay, and then my first target was, of course, a 1-to-1. So this is a 1.06 ratio. But let's just keep continuing and watching what happens. So price is coming down, and it didn't even touch it yet. Okay, see, it touched it, got you in. Yeah, these so I have to pause it real quick and let you guys know, these type of trades don't always happen this way. So anytime you put a Fibonacci level at 70, don't always expect it to just shoot up. These type of trades sometimes happen with fundamental news coming out, or sometimes this price does a quick action upwards on a specific day, let's say Monday or Friday, or maybe a lot of people are buying at that specific time, but don't always expect to see like quick profit hit and everything else. So at the end of the day, I always say I set up alerts so I don't have a take profit until I see my alerts being taken, and then I'll start pulling trailing stops and everything like that. But I never had a take profit for this one. But as soon as it hit basically my entry level, so if we zoom into this, let's go to the 1 hour. So you see how crazy it jumped. It even jumped from the previous higher highs. At the end of the day, that indicates it's a strong uptrend momentum. So I had it over here, but next thing I know, I just got a notification saying first take profit hit, 10% Fibonacci level hit, and then I was like, what's going on? I open it, it's already up there, so I closed it away immediately. So even if you pull this up here, it's $262 a day. So that's why I named this video how to make $262 basically an hour, because it didn't even take a day to even occur and get this nice bullish candle. And if we track how many pips this bullish candle was, it's 36.5 pips. So that's 365. So I didn't take it all the way up there. So I'm not trying to name it $374.75 because it usually does not happen like this trades. But even if it does and hits your previous high, then you can call it that, it's a good thing. So this is a 2.26 our risk to reward ratio. So very good for me. I took this trade and I executed and got in basically within less than 30 minutes. But an hour is to stretch it out, so an hour is fine. So from this, we can continue to see what happened and why I changed my position to a downtrend as well. So let's just keep watching. Anytime price pushes up extremely super fast, or anytime it pushes down extremely super fast as well, there's going to be a little pullback coming, so you can wait in for those to get your perfect entry levels. So you see, this is the type of thing I'm saying you have to train your eyes for, because it didn't hit the 70, but if you're watching this while it's doing it, you could have entered here with a stop loss being again around 10.3 to 10.5 pips. But let's keep continuing. But once you train your eyes, guys, I'm telling you, it will be super easy. You just understand to trade in, to get into these trades, to not get into these trades. It will just be like it's already drawn out for you. But you see the price coming down. It even came below here. So if you want to be the ones that are holding for days and days, you better trade on the weekly, monthly, or even on the daily, because trading and holding it for days and days on the hour or 30 minutes, that's not going to work out for you. You're already in profit as high as, let's come down here, as high as $400, and you didn't take it. Now you're in loss 115. That makes no sense to me. But let's keep continuing. Okay, let's go to the 4-hour now. And again, as I showed you guys a little earlier, the reason I got here is because I made a higher high, but this price was rejecting to come above this previous higher high. So look, you can see it like this. Stop loss, you can raise it up here. This is just this right there. So stop loss was 21.9 pips, and this was around 1.7, 1.6 pips away from stop loss. So I wasn't even too concerned about this. But then again, you shouldn't even be concerned about that, because price came crashing down to your what? Let's get rid of the smaller one. Price came crashing down to your first take profit. That's why I always trail my profits, because at the end of the day, if your broker does not give you this many pips, 1.7 is super extremely small, by the way, you would have been knocked out of this trade. But still, very beautiful trade setup as well. 38.2 pips, hit the first take profit. We out of here, baby. So $260 for the hour, and then if you wait 4 more hours or a couple of days, you would have got another $222. Just taking it with that, you know. But if you had your stop loss a little higher, I'm just trying to see like possibilities. The price, let's see where the price go. It kept going down as well. So if we pause this, bring that tool here, scroll down, you would have ended up with a whopping $493 for how many trading days? Let's see. So within 3 days, or even here, within 1 day and 8 hours, you would have made $479. So if that's not good enough from where you are right now, you let me know. But that's what I have for you guys. I just wanted to give you guys a couple things on how to make over $260 within an hour. And even if you can't do it within an hour, you can do that within a day. And that's a lot of money. So if you do $260 or $265 times 7, which is in a week, you'll be making about an extra $1,800. So in total being $1,855 every time you make every week, basically. And if that's not an additional and very nice money or cushion to be having an extra money coming in while you're doing your normal thing, your normal day job, or whatever you do, then I don't know, maybe there's something wrong with you. But I'll take any kind of additional money that I can get, especially something you don't have to put much effort into. The only thing, and the thing you really have to put much effort into, is to really learn it from the beginning. Once you have it down, you don't really have to put much effort into it. You wake up whatever time you decide and everything as well. But I'll keep this video short. So thank you guys so much for everything. Again, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you guys enjoy this kind of content. I'll be posting more content to keep you guys up to date on what's going on in this crypto markets, in the Forex markets, and in the stock markets as well. So if you guys are interested in these type of things, then please don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button with that bell notification icon so you can be notified every single time I post a video. So without further ado, I'm UL with UL Exchange. I'm the Forex Finesse, the Crypto Caressa, God bless. Peace out. I'll see you on the next one.